I've almost forgotten. So the information I'm going to share with you guys today is going to be really, really powerful. Okay. So this is going to be the beginning of your journey as a Forex trader. It is highly, highly important if you really want to be a successful Forex trader. There are some things that you need to put in place once you're about to start your journey. All right. And if you have been trading before without consistency, there are some things you want to restructure. Okay. So that's why I said the training we're going to have today is going to be uh it's going to be theoretical. So what I'm going to share with you today will help those of you who have been trading and you have been losing. So you want to check and balance a lot of things. So I'm going to share 4 to 5 solid things with you guys. Okay. I'm going to share 5 different things with you. But before we start that, I have a good news for everybody, most especially those who are new, okay, and those who have also been trading without consistency. We have this coming next week, Saturday, starting our 3 days foundation course, right? We'll be starting our 3 days foundation course. So this 3 days foundation course will help you guys to learn a lot. So within these 3 days, if you are new to Forex or you have somebody who really wants to learn Forex and doesn't know anything about Forex, or probably the person have been trading Forex before and he or she is not making profit, this 3 days foundation is going to be really, really awesome. All right. So you want to take this opportunity, you want to harness this opportunity to be part of this training, because within these 3 days, I am going to be revealing a lot of things to you. And after these 3 days, if your mind is wide open, okay, the 3 days training is even enough for you to start making money in Forex. All right. The 3 days is more, is very well okay, which if you can attend, it's going to help you a lot. And prior to that, it is highly important to let you guys know that a lot of people do not know how to invest. Let me quickly share that flyer, guys. Let me quickly, just few seconds, please. Let me quickly share that flyer with you guys. A lot of people do not know how to invest. Okay, so the information, the investment program we'll be having this coming few seconds, guys. So you can see investment and wealth creation webinar. Okay, this is coming up on Thursday, 4th of March 2021 by 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So with this program alone, it is just 1 hour 15, it's going to be 1 hour 15 minutes program. But trust me, within this 1 hour 15 minutes, you will learn something really, really unusual about investment and wealth creation. A lot of people know how to invest, but they do not know how to create wealth. Do you understand that? A lot of people know how to invest, but they do not know how to create wealth, right? And a lot of people do not know how to invest, talk less of creating wealth. So within this program, we will be sharing something highly, highly powerful, something that has helped us and helped a lot of people that we know. So we feel this is the time to bring this on board to a lot of people, a lot of you guys to learn from. And with this, trust me, if your salary or your income is very, very small, let's for example, you are earning like, let's say you are even earning 20 to 25,000 naira every month, for example, and with the situation of this country, you and I, the situation of Nigeria, you and I, we agree that earning 25,000 naira, even 30,000 naira in Nigeria as salary is very, very, very little compared to the situation of the country. If you are earning 30,000 naira Even those that are earning over 100,000 are still complaining, comparing to 30,000 naira. So if you are earning 25,000 naira to 30,000 naira, between that range, we will share something really, really powerful with you. How you can even create investment with part of that money. And believe me, over time, you will see yourself grow and start creating wealth with the little you have. This is something that has helped me personally, and it helped me uh during the time I started trading forex. So I feel this is the time for me to bring this up to share with a lot of you guys, for those who are ready. So this is going to help you a lot, guys. So you do not want to miss this on Thursday, this Thursday, 4th of March 2021, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Please, I want you to save your or write the date down, set your alarm, clear your dates, and look forward to this. If you know anyone around you, let them come and learn from this. Even if you learn this alone, believe me, it's going to help you anywhere else. Okay, it's not all about forex alone, but it's all about letting you know what is possible, how you can create investments. All right. So, guys, put this flyer on your group, put it on your wall, put it on your WhatsApp, put it everywhere. Invite your guys, invite your friends, invite your family. Let them come and listen to this. This is going to be of help to them. Okay, do not let us be stingy. Okay, this is absolutely no cost, no charge, nothing. Just make sure you are there. You will be blown away with what you are going to learn. Trust me. All right. So that is that on investment and wealth creation. So we are going to do this on Thursday. And on Saturday, our 3 days Forex Foundation course will kickstart. We kickstart on Saturday, this coming Saturday, Saturday 6th of March. Okay. 8 p.m. as usual. So this is going to last for 3 days. So let's make use of this opportunity. If you know anyone who want to learn forex as well, who is very, very new, let them come. They are going to pray for you after they have learned one or two things with this. Trust me, they are going to pray for you. All right. So, guys, save the date, mark your calendar, put on your alarm, and look forward to this. This is going to be really, really powerful. The 3 days training is going to be really, really powerful. The investment and wealth creation is going to impact your life. I promise you that, I promise you that, and I promise you that. The wealth investment and wealth creation will impact your life a lot. So thank you so much for this information, guys. Let's go back to what we have for today. Let's go back to what we have for today. So today I want to be sharing 4 to 5 information with you guys, precisely for those of you who are new. Okay. And out of this 4 information, there is one or two powerful information right there that concerns those of you who have been trading before and you're not consistent in your trading. So some of this information is going to be of help to you guys. So just stay along with me. Okay, guys. We are going to use Notepad all through this. So let me put something. The first thing you want to know, guys, please, if you do not have your notes and pen with you, you want to, you need that. Trust me, you need it. This is a very simple information that you probably have heard, but don't take cognizance to it. But this is what you need to start your journey as a forex trader. This is this part of this information is what you need to change your story, to start gaining your consistency. All right. The first thing you want to learn, you want to take uh you want to put into consideration is learn. Number one thing is learn. Learn. Some of us here on this section may be thinking, what am I talking about? Yes, I'm talking about learning. Number one thing I want to share with you is learn. See, for you to become a successful forex trader, right, guys? For you to become a successful forex trader, it is very, very important for you to learn. Learn how the whole process works. Learn how everything goes. Learn how the professionals are doing it. Guys, please, few seconds. So sorry, guys. So I'm back. So the first thing you want to do is to learn. How can you learn? How will you be able to learn to be a consistent and successful trader? The first thing under this is that you want to learn through uh, a professional. You want to learn through a professional, someone who has been there, done that, someone who knows the road to where you are going. Okay, see, this is not, this information right here about learning is not tied down to forex alone. Okay, this is all about business generally. Any business you want to go into, you want to learn from someone who has been there, done that, someone who knows the road where you are about to follow. All right, so you want to learn. How can you learn and master this? You want to a follow a mentor. You want to follow a mentor. You want to learn the process on how everything works concerning forex. Because during this period, this is where the journey starts from. If you do not have good knowledge about how the market works, believe me, you are going nowhere. So this is why you want to learn it the way you uh it should be learned. See, guys, my golden advice for those of you who are coming up, right? Uh, for those of you who are coming up, is that for you to pick uh, a mentor, ensure you have been following such person for at least 1 month. All right, ensure you have been following such person for at least 1 month. So within this 1 month, you'll be able to follow some track record on how the person teaches, or part of the lecture the person has issued out based on the field you are targeting. That is the golden advice. But a lot of people are learning, but they are learning junks. There's a whole lot of difference from learning and learning junks. When you learn junks, it means you don't know what you're doing. But when you are learning the right way, it means you're on the right path. So for you to be on the right path, you need someone who has been there, done that. You need a mentor. So you want to learn it the right way. You want to acquire the knowledge. Having zero knowledge, you cannot trade forex. Having wrong knowledge, you cannot be a successful trader in forex. You just need the right knowledge. Everybody type in right in the chat. Type in right in the chat. You need the right knowledge. It is only when you have the right knowledge that is when you can start making money in forex. When you do not have the right knowledge, the journey is going to be uh really stressful. So guys, learn, acquire the knowledge before you start putting your hard-earned money in Forex. Okay? Make sure you learn before you start putting your hard-earned money in Forex. That is the number one thing. The number two thing I'm going to share with you guys today, the second thing I'm going to share with you guys today is that for you to trade Forex, you need a broker. You need a broker. Some of you may have been thinking, what is this person talking about? Yes, some of you know what broker is all about. But believe me, this information I want to reveal to some people right here, precisely those of us who already know who a broker is. You will be amazed to know why sometimes you are not making money in Forex, and sometimes you make money, sometimes you lose it back. So for those of you who are totally new, the next thing you want to pick is a broker. Okay, so along the line, while you are learning, you will definitely get to know a broker. But this information I want to share with you is to emphasize more on broker. So the next thing you need to trade Forex is that you need a broker. Okay, because a broker gives you access to the market. It's like, for example, in this part of the world, which is Nigeria, if you want to rent an apartment or you want to do something that has to do with tenants or landlord thereabout, you need uh, an agent, someone like a middleman between you and the owner of the property. So a broker stands like a middleman between a retail trader and the market. All right. So for you to trade Forex, to become a trader, you must choose a broker. You must choose a broker. So a broker gives you the access to trade. Okay. So, and how can you trade with a broker? Now, you need two things to trade. Number one, you need a software called MetaTrader 4. You need a software called MetaTrader 4. So this software gives you access into the market. Okay, a broker will give you an account with them, just the same way you open an account with your bank, where you'll be given an account and every other details that you need to log into your account and do necessary things you want to do. So the same thing goes with a broker. A broker, once you are registered with them, just the same way you do with your bank, they are going to give you an account details. So with this account details, you are going to be able to log into the MetaTrader 4. So the MetaTrader 4 is a software which the broker will connect you through to to buy or to sell and to trade within the Forex market. So the first software you want to download as a Forex trader, okay, or as a prospective Forex trader, is MetaTrader 4. So you need this, guys. Write it down. Those of you who are totally new, go on your Play Store, type in MetaTrader 4. You are going to see it right there. Just download it and have it on your phone. All right. The next software you are going to need along the line is this. You are going to need my Fxbook. Okay, my Fxbook. My Fxbook. This software gives you the opportunity to be able to calculate your risk. Okay, to be able to calculate your risk. Now, guys, you see this software It does wonders every time you want to trade. For you to become a successful trader, I quote you anywhere, guys. With this part, I'm just about to share with you, which is this part I'm going to share with you, which is the calculation of your trade. If you ignore it, which is money management, I'm talking about money management. Number one thing when it comes to Forex is money management. If you do not want to blow your account as a Forex trader, money management is the number one. And this is one of the reasons, in fact, the main reason why thousands and millions of people are losing and blowing their accounts in Forex. This is just the reason, nothing more, nothing else. So you want to download this on your phone. So this will enable you to be able to calculate your risk at every point in time that you are about to trade in the Forex market. All right. So this is very, very important. So the next one I'm going to talk about right here is trading view. Trading view. Trading view. Trading view is a charting software that gives you the opportunity to be able to analyze, which is where you are going to make your analysis. Okay, you can go to metatrader4.com on your computer, or go to myfxbook.com on your computer, or go to tradingview.com on your computer. So when you type all these, when you type my FX in your, what is it called? When you type it on your phone on Google Play Store, it's going to come up. So when you want to enter it on your computer, this is what you type. All right. I hope that is very, very clear, guys. So back to TradingView. TradingView is a charting software that gives you the opportunity to be able to analyze properly, to analyze the chart, to let you know, according to your strategy, this is where price is most likely going to go next. All right. So TradingView is a charting software. All right. It's a charting software where you will analyze. All right. And this is basically for money management calculation. All right. I hope this is clear. And this is basically for placing trade. So those are the three software you need to start as a trader. All right. So guys, get this downloaded on your phone, because they're going to help you during your learning curve. All right. So now what I want to share with you guys, which is something that's going to interest those of us who have been trading before, is that now, few seconds, guys. I think I need to bring out an information for you guys. Okay, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. So now, guys, the next information I want to share with you right here is that a lot of traders choose brokers. Of course, for you to trade, you need a broker. But how can you choose a broker? How will you know a broker that is very, very good? How will you know a true broker? How will you know those who are not true? This is one of the reasons why a lot of people will deposit money into a broker's account, and eventually they won't be able to make any withdrawal, even if they make some money. And a lot of people do not even know that some brokers are trading against you. Some brokers are trading against traders, and a lot of traders do not know that. This is where you will see sometimes when you place a trade, for those of you who have been trading before, when you place a trade, when you are losing, before you know it, the money you have lost is going to be huge. And when you are making profit, you make small profit. So along the line, some of these brokers that are not true brokers, they normally exchange your what is it called, leverage. Okay, if you have taken a leverage of let's say leverage of 1 to 200. So I beg your pardon, those of you who are new, I beg your pardon. I need to share this information for the benefit of those who are new, who have been trading before. Okay, this part is something that is really, really important. So you will agree with me that before, let's say you take leverage of 1 to 200, and along the line, once you are trading, if you are losing, you will realize that you've trade has gone against you with about 10 pips, but yet the money that you are losing is very, very big. Trade has gone against you in just 10 pips, but yet the money you are losing is very, very, very big. So let me put, please, please put in yes in the chat if I am speaking your mind. If I'm touching what is happening to you, please put in yes in the chat. In a situation whereby you will take a trade and what you are supposed to lose, once that trade goes against you, you shouldn't even lose more than, let's say, $20. But eventually you will realize that you have lost $40, even after you have done your calculation before you go into the trade. How does it happen? Why is this happening? A lot of brokers are doing that. So whenever you are trading, what really happens along the line? What happens is that a lot of traders, I said traders, brokers rather, I beg your pardon, will increase your leverage without your consent from 200 to 500. They will increase your leverage from 200 to 500. So automatically, once you are losing, you should lose in proportion to 200 based on the leverage you have selected. But because brokers has increased your leverage, then the money you are losing, you are currently losing, we double what you are supposed to lose. So this is why a lot of traders don't make money. So when you are making money, you are making profit, they will not do anything. They will leave your leverage the way it is. But the moment your trade is going in loss, you will see that instead of it to be losing $20, you will see that you'll be losing $40 or $50. So this is why you see sometimes when a lot of traders put in money into their account, before you know it, they have blown that account. I'm telling you this based on experience. It has happened to me a lot of time. So before I got to be able to catch them. Now, how can you avoid this? Number one thing you want to take note is that for you to have a good trader, sorry, I said good trader, a good broker, you want to be able to look for a broker with good customer support. Good customer support. A broker that you can have access to them at any point in time. Even there are some brokers that during the holiday, once you send a mail to them, they will reply you in less than 24 hours during weekend as well, or holiday. So you want a broker that their customer service is very, very effective, not the one that you won't have access to them. The next thing you want to take note with this is that you want a broker that has easy deposit and withdrawal. You want a broker with easy deposit and withdrawal. How will you know this? You want a broker that you can easily deposit either with your card, okay, or you're with your local transfer or thereabout, in a way that it is very, very easier. It's going to be very, very easy for you to, to make the deposit. And even when you want to withdraw your profit, these are very, very paramount information. You want to be able to work with a broker that when you want to make deposit, it does not have rigorous process. And when you are ready to make your withdrawal, it's very, very easy for you to make such withdrawal. So you want to look for a broker with this information: easy deposit, easy withdrawal. All right. So I could remember those days about 15 years ago when I had the mind of trading Forex. I actually had the dream about 12 to 15 years ago. But then I realized that you had to open a domiciliary account. So along the line, something came up. I was not able to get all that. So I had to quit until last close to 6 years now that I had to come back and things started moving the way God wanted it to be. So guys, you need easy deposit and easy withdrawal. Okay, so this should be an option that are very, very easy for you. So the next one right here is that, guys, take note. This is basically for those of you who have been trading before. Another thing is that you need a broker with a tight spread. You see, what is a spread? What is a spread? A spread is the difference between ask between buy and sell price. Let me put it that way for the sake of those who are new. A spread, let's for example, your selling price is okay, let's say buying price. Let's say buying price is 800, 700 rather, and selling price is let's say 798. Okay, let's say 798. Your selling price, your buying price is 700, while your selling price is 798. So the difference between these two is called the spread. All right. Okay, let's say 799. So you can easily do it this way. So the difference between these two, 799 and 798, is the spread. I hope you understand. So your buying and selling price can never be the same thing when it comes to Forex. I'm going to touch on that on binary briefly. So your buying and selling price is not going to be the same in Forex. So the difference between buying and selling price is called the spread. So the spread, this is where the brokers make their money. Okay, this is where they make their commission. I hope this is clear. So what do I mean by tight spread? You want a broker with a tight spread. There are some brokers that have 10 pips length, for example, as their spread, while we have some with just two pips as their spread. Now tell me, which one of these is better out of 10 and 2? Which one of these spreads is better? Which one is most affordable? Everybody typing which one of these is most affordable in the chat. To you, let us know which one you think is affordable. 2 pips. Thank you, Babatunde. So you want a broker that has tight, very, very tight spread. This is where a lot of people are losing money, but they do not pay attention to this. This thing that I'm sharing with you contributes to a lot of traders' downfall, but they do not know. It contributes to why many traders are losing their money, why they are blowing their accounts. But because people don't pay attention to vital information like this, they just believe, okay, it's all about trading. It's not all about trading alone. It's all about you knowing the right thing. 10 pips is not affordable, Jacob. 2 pips is far affordable. Okay. Okay. For example, you want to buy the same value of thing. Somebody is asking you to pay $10, and somebody is asking you to pay $2 for the same value uh of service. Which one will you prefer to take? For example, you are asking someone, you take your car to a car wash, and we have two car wash points at the same area. One is charging you $10, and the other one is charging you $2, and they are going to give you the same service, the same value. Which one will you prefer to go for? Even if you have all the money in the world, you will prefer to go for the one with $2. Yes, avoidable. Okay, I thought you said okay, all right. So I think I didn't get that part right. Sorry about that. I misunderstood you. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back, guys. So now you want to work with a broker that have a tight spread. Most especially now, the king strategy. I do tell people work with a broker that have a tight a tight spread. So this is going to contribute to your success. So when you are using the king strategy, which is the strategy a lot of you guys know, when you are using a broker with a tight spread, a lot of time having tight spread will help you to win more trades. If you are to lose 5 trades on a normal day and having a spread, a tight spread, you eventually may lose 2 or 3 trades instead of you losing 5 trades. So having a tight spread broker will help you to win or to reduce your loss. Okay, because sometimes you will see markets will almost come to your stop loss, and in 1 or 2 pips it will reverse and go back to your profits. But when you are not using a broker with a tight spread, immediately price is approaching your stop loss. Even without getting to your stop loss, it will hit you out and close your trade in loss. So this is why you want to work with a broker with a tight spread, guys. Tight spread is very important in this. Yes, this is not a recommendation. This is not a recommendation, guys. I use IC markets. Okay, they have tight spread. Okay, they have different accounts under them. I use tight spread. If you want to go with IC markets, you may chat up with me. Then I can give you a link to register. Then I tell you the type of account you have to go for. I hope that is helpful, Mr. Shebu. All right, because we have a lot of brokers like that. Now, this is another one, guys. After choosing a broker with a tight spread, the next one you want to consider right now is that you want to consider a broker, an ECN broker, an ECN broker, ECN broker, or a broker with what is it called, zero spread. Okay, ECN broker or a broker with zero spread. Okay, having an ECN broker or a broker with 0Z, they are the same thing, all right? Which means you are trading directly with the market. You see, a broker with this type of service, to me, I consider them the most real broker, all right? Which means any trade you take under this broker, the moment you initiate a trade, they are going to send your trader, I said your trader, they are going to send your trade, your money which you use to trade, they are going to send it into the market, which means your money is not going to be with them the moment you place that trade with this broker. Okay, so these are true broker that once you take your trade, they will put in your money into the market right away. So when you lose into the market. When you make money from the market. All right. So you want to look for a broker with ECN account or a true zero broker. Okay, a true zero spread broker. Zero spread means that you only pay commission, while the ECN account is also a commission account as well. I hope this is clear, guys. So the next one you want to avoid right here is that market maker. You see, this type of broker are the broker that when you place a trade, your trade remains with them. Your money remains with them. So most of the time when you trade, you are trading against this broker. Okay, this broker will trade against you. Okay, these are the types of broker that inflates your leverage, as I said earlier on. This is the broker. These are the type of broker that trades against you. When you trade, they trade against you, which means when you lose money, they make money. So when you place a trade, they do not send your money into the Forex market. Your money remains with them. So their prayer is for you to lose the trade. So they will do everything possible for you to lose the trade. I hope you're following, guys. They will do everything for you to lose the trade. So this is why one of the things that inflates your leverage. But a lot of people don't know this. I'm telling you this. This is the secret sauce, guys. But a lot of people do not know this information I'm sharing. But you will not know. Even those who are working as an insider with a broker will not share this information with you, because they know you will take it against them. So don't trade with market makers broker. So how will you know which one is market maker, which one is ECN? Look, once you are with a broker, ask for their zero spread account, or if they have ECN account. It's as simple as that. And you want to check every other information from 1 to 3 before you consider opening an account with a broker. I hope this is clear, guys. If this is clear to you guys, everybody type in clear in the chat. Do you mean, Olu, do you mean how do they make their profit? They make their profit because once you lose, the money you lose remains with them. So they don't always pray for you to even win a trade. Once you lose with market makers, your money remains with them. The money you lose into the market, because they do not send the money into the market, so your money remains with them. So with ECN broker, they make money because once you place a trade, the ECN broker or zero spread broker, once you make a trade, they charge you a commission. They charge you a commission. So the commission is their own reward for giving you access to trade through them. All right. So that is it. I hope this is clear. So I'm so happy. This is very, very clear to you guys. Mr. Tijani, thank you so much. Mr. Shima, Mr. Olu. All right. So this information is very, very powerful. You see, a lot of people just think it is all about charting software, looking at the chart, talk about indicators and all of that. Trading is far, far more than that. There are some key things that you need to put into consideration before you start trading. Or once you have started trading, there are some things you need to change. There are some things you may have been doing wrong that you need to change them. So these are part of the information right here. So when you are dealing with a mentor that does not talk about something like this and every other thing that has to do with theory that will help you in the journey, then you need to be careful, because Forex is not all about charts. No. That is where the money lies. But these are the things that will contribute to your success. So when you are climbing a ladder to the top and you get to a point, something draws you back 2 steps behind. You climb up again, something draws you back 2 steps behind. You can see it's going to hinder your success. But once you know what is going to draw you back, you're going to avoid it. Once you start climbing your ladder, you are going to climb easily without any issue. All right. So these are part of the information that you guys need to be successful as a forex trader. All right. So having put all these things in place, for those of us who have been trading before, okay, this one right here is for those of us who are totally new, while this one right here is for those of us who have been trading before, probably without consistency, or you feel your broker is cheating on you, you want to change your broker. These are the things you need to consider. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is a demo. This is for the newbie, okay, the starter. You see, a demo account, this gives you the opportunity to trade with within the live market, within the live market environment, with virtual money. What do I mean by virtual money? The money that you cannot withdraw. So this gives you the opportunity to be able to trade, to see how markets operate. So this is where you want to master everything you are going to be taught by your mentor, or everything you're going to learn during your course program. So you want to put everything you've learned into practice. You want to be sure you get it right. This is where you are going to master and perfect the craft. If uh, your your trading journey is bad on demo, then you want to restructure it. You want to make sure things are perfect with your demo account before you switch into live account. Because once you start trading on demo account and you are wiping out your demo money, you are automatically going to wipe out your live account funds. So my golden advice for everybody, those who are new, we have been trading on demo, and those who are about to start, is that make sure once you start trading on demo, treat this as your real funds. All right, treat your demo account as your real fund. You see, why the reason why a lot of people don't make profit with their demo account is that they feel, okay, this is a demo account now, I have nothing to lose. Of course you have nothing to lose, but it's going to affect you the more if you don't take it serious. So if you take your demo account serious as if it's your real money, it's going to help your trading journey when you start trading live accounts. So this is where you want to master, correct every information or every mistake you are making during the course of your learning. So this will give you the opportunity to trade within the live market environment the same way you will do with your live account. All right. So demo account is very, very important, highly, highly important for everybody. Even me myself, sometimes I still take trade on demo account. Sometimes I still take trade on demo account. Okay. So your demo account will help you to see what you are doing wrong. If you want to build up a strategy, you build it up on a demo account, you trade it on demo account for a while and see the success rate before you transfer it to your live account, or anything your mentor or your coach have taught you. This is where you are going to practicalize it in the real live market before you put it into your live account, so you don't get to wipe out your account. All right, I hope this part is very, very clear. The next one I'm going to talk about right here, which is the number 14 before I stop right here, is live accounts. Live accounts. This is really powerful. Guys, the difference between live accounts and your demo account is that the funds you have here, you cannot withdraw it. The funds you have here, you can withdraw it. You can withdraw the money you have on your live account. Why you cannot withdraw the money you do not have on your demo account? And another difference you can have is that your emotion, that is the big difference between these two. The number one difference apart from the withdrawal aspect. Another difference that is very, very powerful is the emotion. Once you start trading on your live account, there is no way you can control it. Being a starter, your emotion will rise because you will be emotionally attached to your money. Guys, if this has happened to you before, please type in emotion in the chat. When you are trading demo account, you don't feel any you do not feel any, how do I put it, your blood pressure is not, doesn't even rise, you don't even feel shaky. But when you start trading on your live account, then your body, you're emotionally attached to it. If this has happened to you, type in emotion in the chat. Good. Convention time. Mr. Jacob, Mr. Dami, Mr. Babatunde. Yes, this has happened to almost all the traders in the world before they are able to master this. Honestly speaking, this happened to me a lot of time, but you get to a point that you will overcome it. Once you are trading on your demo account, you don't get emotionally attached to it because you know you have nothing to lose. But the moment you switch to your live account, that is when your blood pressure will keep rising every minute, every time you have a trade running, until later that you are able to get over the emotion. So in our training course, we talk extensively about how to manage all this. Okay? We talk extensively on how to manage all this, and we take time to teach guys what they need to know. All right? It is the joy to teach you guys to become a successful trader. So guys, because of our time, I still have a lot of information to share with you guys. Believe me, I still have a lot of information, but this training aspect is capped 1 hour every Sunday. Okay, I don't want to take much of your time. I know you guys are willing to learn, and this is where the success starts from. It is only those who are ready to commit their time and resources that are ready to be successful. Believe me, and success is just around the corner, knocking at your door. All right. So, guys, we're putting this to an end today. For those of you who are totally new, these are the 4 things you want to put look forward to. All right. The first thing you want to take note is to learn. Learn this the right way and from the right source. Okay. How will you know the right source? Like I said, you want to follow someone who has been teaching this for a while. Probably you want to follow the person for a month, 6 weeks, or more to see the level of how he teach. Okay, you want to see the level of how the teachings goes and all of that. And then you can make your decision. Okay, this is how you can be able to know who the right one. All right. And another tip I want to give to you guys is that don't jump from one person to the other. You will be confused. You jump from this coach to another coach, jump from that coach to another one. Obviously, they are going to teach you different approach, but eventually you are not going to know the one to choose. So it will get you confused and you will feel the process is not working. Trust me, it was when I stick to one person. After 3 months of sticking to that person, trust me, that was when I started gaining my consistency till today. So that is the exact thing you want to do. That is my point of advice to you when as you start your learning process, guys. Okay, for those of you who are new and those of you who have been there, done that, and there is no consistency, stick to one person. Okay, stop jumping all around. That is where confusion starts from. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. On Thursday rather, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Come and learn something really, really powerful. Your mind will be opened with what is really, really possible. If you are earning 20,000 naira, 30,000 naira, you want to be able to learn how you can grow that 20,000 naira. In fact, you don't even need to put all the 20,000 naira into investment. And over time, you will see the money will grow. This is an information I have not shared with anybody in the past, but I decided to put this to you guys. So invite your friends, invite everyone around you, invite your family. Just within 1 hour, it's just 1 hour, 15 minutes program. So it's going to help you guys a lot so much. So for those of you who are ready to learn Forex, all right, look forward to Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. But before you come into this 3 days program, it is a must for you to attend the investment and wealth creation program. This is going to help you more in your journey as you are about to embark on an investment on either Forex or any other business. So it's going to help you a lot. So thank you so much for having me. If you guys have gained value today, please, guys, I want you to put in value in the chat. Not yet, Mr. Joachim. We're still based in Lagos. Not yet, not yet. Okay, and every information we are still giving right now is still through online. So we're expanding. So as time goes on, as God sees us through, we will keep you guys know. We'll let you know how it goes. So if you've gained value, guys, kindly put in value in the chat. Thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you guys on here. So this video will put on YouTube later on. If you have not joined our YouTube, make sure you join our YouTube. All right, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon. So it's going to help you a lot. All right, so it's going to help you a lot. And for those of you who have been trading, you don't have a strategy you are using, or you don't make consistency, try one of our programs. It's going to help you a lot. Your story is going to change. So if you don't have a good strategy, we have a strategy called the King strategy. So powerful. Okay, once you learn the strategy and follow it the way it should be followed, your success is absolutely guaranteed. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for having me today. I still remain your host. My name remains Abolade Adekola, the Kingmaker. So thank you so much. Put in what you have learned today on the group, guys. Let's help everybody. It is not until when you give money to someone that you can help them. You can help and change someone's life with your comments alone. Your comments might help someone to make that good decision that will change their life. And it will be written somewhere in heaven that it is your comments that transform this person's life. So you have helped the person. So whatever you've learned today, guys, let's go on our Telegram group. Let's put it there. If you have gained some value, please type in your commendation. If you have not gained value, please put it there. Okay, the negative comments will also help us. We want to welcome the negative comments, both positive and negative. So the negative one will only help us to redefine the way we teach and to help you more and to improve, while the positive one will keep encouraging us. So guys, let's help others, let's help everyone. So if you are not on our Telegram group, for those of you on the WhatsApp group, scroll up, look for the for one of our messages. You see the Telegram link right there. Click on it, join our Telegram group, so you have access to first-hand information before those on WhatsApp. So thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate you, Chima, Mr. Achego. I appreciate everyone on the call. Okay, you guys are winners. So thank you so much, and see you guys on Thursday, 8 p.m. Peace out. Bye bye for now.